Uphold's fee structure for trades is designed to be straightforward, though the exact costs depend on the type and size of your transaction, as well as the specific asset you are trading. Instead of a fixed, visible commission on every trade, Uphold primarily incorporates its fee into the spread. The spread is the difference between the price at which Uphold buys an asset and the price at which it sells that same asset to you. This means the cost is built into the exchange rate you see when you execute a trade. The typical spread for cryptocurrency trades is generally stated to be around 0.8% to 1.2% for popular pairs like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but this percentage can be higher for less liquid cryptocurrencies or in volatile market conditions. For transactions involving fiat currencies or precious metals, the spread is usually much smaller. In addition to the spread, some transactions may incur an additional charge, particularly if you are trading a highly illiquid asset or if your trade involves a less commonly traded currency pair. This extra fee is generally displayed in the transaction preview before you confirm the trade. It is important to understand that Uphold uses a tiered pricing model based on the size of the transaction. Larger trades may benefit from slightly tighter spreads, while smaller trades might have higher effective costs. When funding your account, Uphold generally does not charge fees for deposits via bank transfer, ACH, or crypto deposits. However, using a debit or credit card to purchase assets often involves a separate fee, typically a percentage of the transaction, which is levied by the payment processor and passed on to you. Similarly, while Uphold may not charge a direct fee for withdrawals to a bank account, ACH, withdrawing cryptocurrency incurs a network fee, the gas fee, which goes to the miners or validators of the respective blockchain, not to Uphold. This network fee can fluctuate based on network congestion. To see the total cost before committing, always review the transaction summary screen. This preview is crucial as it displays the final exchange rate you are getting, which has the effective fee, the spread, baked in. The primary charge on Uphold is the spread, which is variable, supplemented by potential fees for certain funding methods, like card purchases, and network withdrawal fees for crypto.